Producing a great course won't do anybody any good if they can't find it. So you need to make sure your course landing page is designed to grab the attention of Udemy's search engine and the attention of potential students once they find it. Let's talk about the world of SEO, or search engine optimization, on the Udemy platform. A little extra effort on your landing page can go a very long way. The first step in any search engine optimization effort is to figure out which keywords you are trying to optimize for. A rookie mistake is to search Udemy for your course's title and figure out which page you're on of the search results based on that. Students aren't going to be searching for your course title. They're going to be searching for specific skills that they want to learn. You need to think about the students most likely to buy your course and what words they are likely to be searching for, assuming they've never heard of you or your course before. The words your potential students are searching for are your keywords, and you'll want to make heavy use of them in your course landing page. Most courses can be described by many different keywords, and you have to figure out which ones are the most important to focus on. Fortunately, the same Marketplace Insights tool in Udemy's instructor dashboard that we used for selecting your topic can also be used for keyword research. I have a course about big data, but people refer to that by many different names. For example, Spark, Hadoop, and MapReduce. I can select each of these topics in Marketplace Insights and compare their search volume against each other. That lets me figure out how valuable each potential topic is. Even more valuable is the top search keywords below that. This is telling you in no uncertain terms which terms students searched for who bought a course in this given topic. So the top search keywords in the top topic that applies to your course are the keywords you should be focusing on. The other topics of interest can also give you ideas of other topics you might not have even considered. For example, I forgot that people might be searching for Scala, and that's worth exploring as well to see if it also has a high search volume. If so, I'd consider its top search keywords as well. This little exercise shows that a course in the big data topic should of course have big data as a keyword, as well as Hadoop and Spark. Your goal is to capture as many of the top keywords relevant to your course in your course landing page as possible. Your course title is hugely important from both an SEO and a conversion perspective. You want to capture as many of the top keywords as you can in your title, but the title still needs to be compelling and capture the attention of students. You can't just stuff all of the keywords into it and expect students to be drawn to it once they actually read it. There are 3 components to a good course title that I've identified. The first component is the keywords. Remember that the top 2 search terms for the big data topic were big data and Hadoop, and I've made sure that both of those terms are part of my title. You have to work them in somehow. It's not just Udemy's search algorithms that you're making happy. Students are going to be more likely to click on your course if it contains the terms they were searching for in the first place. Next, we need to somehow differentiate your course from all the other courses in your category. At the time this course was created, at least, most technical courses were very heavy on theory and light on practice, so the phrase hands-on conveyed that this course was very much focused on doing and not just learning. The word ultimate conveys the comprehensive nature of this course. Remember, all courses generally cost the same amount on Udemy given their frequent fixed-price promotions, and given the choice between a comprehensive course and a narrowly focused one, they'll generally choose the comprehensive course. So if you can use words like ultimate, complete, A to Z, or zero to hero in your course title, that tends to go over very well with Udemy students. If you look at the top-selling courses on Udemy, many of them use these phrases in their titles, and that's not a coincidence. But you need to earn the use of words like that. A course that's under 10 hours in length will have a hard time calling itself ultimate compared to competing courses. Finally, we want our title to tell a story about what the student will be able to achieve after taking your course. Convey the results your course will deliver and the problem it will solve for your students. That's what students really care about. Tame your big data is how I try to capture that in the few remaining characters I had left in this title. Remember Udemy policies, though. You're not allowed to make any monetary or financial promises in your course title. I couldn't use the phrase "make $1 million" in the description of this course, for example, nor would I want to because that would be deceiving. So again, your title needs to contain at least the top 2 keywords for your topic. It needs to convey some sort of differentiation from your competition, and it needs to tell a story about the results your student will achieve from your class. That's a lot to pack into a short title, but it's an effort worth making. Udemy allows you more room for your course's subtitle. Repeating a keyword you really want to rank highly on is a good idea here. In my case, I've repeated Hadoop as it's an important keyword for my course, even though it's already in the title. There is a bit of keyword stuffing going on here, as I've listed the most popular technologies that my course covers, and I want to make sure that people who search for those technologies at least see my course. But I've still made sure to make it somewhat compelling to a human reader as well. It's phrased in such a way as to convey the comprehensiveness of the course. Look at all the topics we cover. The list goes on. Choosing the right title and subtitle for your course is really important for its success. While these ideas are still fresh in your head, take a moment to write down some ideas for the perfect title and subtitle for your next course. If you have existing courses on Udemy, reevaluate their titles and see if they can be better. Give that a shot before moving on with this course.